A very good morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today before I start my work, first of all I would like to congratulate each and every one for scoring good marks in term 1. Very well done my dear kids, and I hope in term 2 also you will do the same, rather you will do much better than this. Though everybody's performance is very good, but still I hope more from all of you. So with this hope that you will do much better, I start my today's work. Children, today I will be taking up a grammar topic with you. What is that grammar topic? Before I start it, let's have a quick recap on the topic verbs. What were verbs? Do you remember? Yes, what are verbs? Verb is an action word, means whatever work we do, you do, I do, anybody does, any kind of work, sit, stand, eat, drink, sleep, fly, any person, any animal, anything, anyone who does any work is your verb, that is your action word. I hope children this much is clear to all. Now moving further, I will show you a small story. See, what can you see here? Yes, this is a classroom, and I hope all of you can see there are different students sitting in the class. See, each bench has 1 or 2 students. It, this, that, he, she, I, you, we, they, these, those. These are all the students here. Now what happens while all these students are sitting on the seat? A new student comes to class and his name is Am. Now Am is standing, you can see here, looking for a seat. He is not getting any seat. Now what he does, what he will do is that he will go to one by one to Am. He ate this, that. He goes to those. First of all he goes to it. He says, it say no, you can't sit with me. This, that, they also say you can't sit with us. He, she, they also said you can't sit with us. These, those, they, you. Or he went to all these 2 rows, and both the rows said no to them, no to him. Finally what happened? It got a seat with I. I said you come with me and we will be good friends, and you come and sit with me. So Am got a seat with I. Now let's see what will happen. Now another new student entered the class, and his name is. Now is, what does it is went here. Sorry, again got the answer sorry, again got the answer sorry, here also sorry. Finally it went to it. Is went to it. It said okay, we will be good friends, you come and sit in our row. Means and it, this, that, he, she, all these children in this row, they make is their friend, and they said that you can sit with us, and I made friend of Am. Now what happened? Let us see. See, here is going here and there. R, again a student came whose name is R. He also did the same event. First he went to I and Am. They said we don't have a seat for you. It went to is said our whole row is filled. He, she are sitting together, and this, that is sitting together, and is sitting with me. So we can't give you any space. Now again it got disheartened. Now it went to this row of these, those, they, you, we. Now they said okay, you can come up with us, because first row is having is, I is having Am, so you can come with us, you can sit in our row. So this row gave our seat to sit. Now children, you can see is here, Am is here, and R. Now I hope you guessed the topic and you know what I was trying to tell you. Yes children, today's topic I am going to tell you is this. What is this? Is am, are. Is am, are. Today's topic is am, are, which are your helping verbs. So today I will be doing is am, are with you. These are also verbs, basically your verbs. are divided into two parts. They are known as main verbs and helping verbs. Now, whatever work we do, like sit, stand, eat, drink, sleep, write, whatever work we do, they are known as your main verbs. But is, am, are, was, were, has, have, were, which help a sentence, or you can say which help the main verb to tell the proper meaning of a sentence and time of a sentence, they are known as helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had are your helping verbs. These are the chapters in your grammar books. 3 chapters are there. One is of is, are, am, second is was, were, and then has, have, had. So these 3 chapters come under a single heading which is known as helping verbs. There are 8 main kind of helping verbs. They are is, am, are, was, were, and has, have, and had. Today I will be starting with is, are, am, and was, were. One by one I am going to explain you. So what are helping verbs? Helping verbs are the verbs which help the main verb or to tell the time of an action, to make a sense of an action. Means, for example, Ram, if I say Ram is reading a book, now is come when I say Ram is reading, so you come to know that is means presently he is reading. Ram was reading a book, past. Ram will read a book, future. So basically helping verbs are the verbs which tell the time of an action, means the time of the main verb taken place in a sentence. I hope children this much is clear to all. So as I told you, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had are your 8 main helping verbs. Do, did, does are also the part of your helping verbs, but basically there are these 8 helping verbs. Now helping verbs, what are helping verbs? Words that are used with the main verb to help give the sentence more meaning. Means tell us the time. Is, am, are means present. Was, were, past. Will means future. See, same thing. Am, ourself. Am is used for the speaker. Ourself or himself also means if I am talking, so it is for myself. If I say we are sitting in a class, we means ourselves. Like some child is talking to me, for example, Rohini is talking to me. For Rohini, saying, ma'am, I went to Delhi yesterday. So here, or I am not feeling well. So when Rohini says to me, so it is for herself. Is used for he, she, it, this and that. And it is also used for singular noun. Are is used for you, we, they, these, those. And it is used for plural nouns. These are all plural, more than one. So again I am telling you, am is, are, am, I am, he is, she is, this is, it is. Okay, they are, we are, those are, these are, you are. So these are plural, more than one. Example, I am going to school, the teacher is absent today, the children are making noise in the class. Was and were. Now children, this was is, are, am, as I told you, and was and were is also exactly same as is, are, am. Only difference is that was and were are used in past, and as we use for singular we use is. Here in past we use was, and with I also, as in present we use am, in past we use was. And for more than one, in present we use are, in past we use were. Were is used with plural nouns or pronouns, you, we, they. Was is used with singular nouns or pronouns like I, he, she, it, or any one name like Mary, I am talking here, or dog or cat. Am is used with was, are is the were. means was is the past form of is MR, is and am, and were is the past form of are. Here are few of the examples. We were in kindergarten last year. Or we can say we are in the kindergarten now. You were class monitor last month. You are class monitor from today. We were in Kolkata yesterday. We are in Kolkata today. The fruits were in the bowl. The fruits are in the bowl. So you can see how were and are I have used here. Now children, I hope the concept of is, am, are, was, were is clear. Now for today we will be doing am, is and are from your book, and tomorrow I will be doing was and were. So please children, open your book and to page number 56. All of you write the date, day and class are here as usual. Now let's get started. Am, is, are. You have learned that am, are and is are verbs which show that something is happening at the present time. Each of them is used with different kinds of nouns and pronouns. Read the sentences. I am a cyclist. I am Freddy. I am a dog. I am Santa. We use the verb am with the pronoun I. Is. Read the sentences. He is a big boy. She is a tennis player. This box is heavy. We use the verb is with the singular pronoun and the pronoun he, she and it with this and that. I have already explained all these points to you. Are. We are friends. We are in Shimla. There are 4 of us. You are also in Shimla. Your coat and cap are pretty. These are our cats. These are cute. We use the verb are with the plural nouns and the pronoun you, we, they, and with these and those and there. Now children, let's move on to the exercise part. Fill in the blanks is, am, are. We will do this exercise to make your point more clear. First one is already done for us. She is a good student. She is a singular. She. I am in Dehradun today. Am is always used with I. He is sad today. Singular. Are you a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Where are they? Are they in cinema hall? More than one. Swati is the oldest of the 3 sisters. Singular. Swati is singular. I am very happy today. With I we always use am. You are very tall. Now we have to tick the correct option in this exercise. First, I am is a good girl. I am a good girl. She is 8 years old. They are my friends. He is a footballer. This toy is broken. I am a cartoonist. Am. My hobbies are collecting stamps and drawing. Are. Many people are fond of Rupesh. Are. I hope children you have understood the concept now. Now this is your last answer this question exercise of this chapter. This is your homework. You will write the answers yourself. Which school do you go? Answer will be I go in Cecil Convent School. Which class you are in? I am in class 3. What is the name of your class teacher? The name of my class teacher is whatever the name is. Like this. So you will finish these exercises. All the exercises for A, B and C. These one you will, after doing it, send me for checking. And anything still you could not understand, you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.